up YouTube? I'm back with a new video. So this car I wrapped it almost 4 months or 5 months ago, and he got the accident, this part, so we need to change the wrapping. I'm going to remove the bumper. I will show you guys how to do it. The tools you need is the drill with the torque bit size 20 and size 30, and you need the trim remover and also something I don't know really name for those, but it's something like hook like that. Okay, here at the top have the one cover. I already removed it. That is the only key. Just take it, it's gonna come out, and then after that you have to remove this rubber from here, okay, and then take the back cover off. All is like this, pull inside, and then put it in the floor. On this side. Don't escape for the diesel stand. Okay, you can see on the top 1, 2, 3 T30, torque 30. Let me change it the torque bit. I always say in all my video, when you remove something, please have one cup. You can put the bolt, everything there, so show you not miss anything. Okay, can you show that two corner? If you see here and here is something holding the bumper and fender together. You need this one. Put it in this hole and try, a little bit is hard, try to remove it. Do other side too. This is really hard to come out. Just take the time. I put everything back in this cover. I'm not going to let's try another one. Like this, and this way the bigger head going inside. So let me remove this one too. What's wrong with you? This one not coming out. I with the flat screwdriver, I did leave it like that, so it came out. Now the things you have to remove. Is signal light, side marker. Other Porsche, if you push it this way and then press the button, the head gonna come out. But the Boxter 718 GTS, no, from the inside, just do like that. This one holding the light here, and then here have a little bit tab, so that's it. And then if you see inside the fender liner, 1, 2. But I don't know why this car, from the beginning, all the bolt is messed up. 20, 30, 20, 30. So let me put the handle on the other side. See, one is T30, one is T20. So I put my torque wheel. Now, if you come under the bumper, I already opened it until here, but all those has to remove. Okay, let me do it. Last one. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the car. Last check, I remove the oil. Yes. Bumper is up now. Okay. So now the thing you have to do.
Did you remove the other side?
Oh, I already did the other side. Oh, front heel put it. And then inside the fender liner, one bolt here. This one is different. Put the mask in here to not that way you can Sorry, I forgot. Corner. Put your hand inside it, finger like that.
Are you sure you removed the bolt there?
Huh?
You removed the bolt inside
Yes.
there? Huh?
What you mean? Two things. First, we have to remove the washer hose and one cable inside. You have to come take video here. Make sure that I need the light. Can you see this one? This cable. This one. This one has to come out. So let me remove it. This one taking the time. After that, I'm gonna come back. Okay, I did the other side, so I will show you this side too. Can you see this bolt? When you open this one, you have more room to get that cable. This cable, that brown color. Yes, that's one. Can you hold that light for me, please? So with some long tools like that one, try to take out the cable. Can you show me? I cannot see with the light. Okay. Thank you. Okay. And then after that, look at here. This is the hose for the washer. If you push this one to this hole, I have to move. Need a little bit power. Why today? Not moving at all. Because here I have I don't know why. Okay, let's do that from this side. Show it here. This plastic. No more way to
Okay, this one coming. And from that area, can you see this plastic tab? This one. This one. This one. This holding the hose together. So now we can remove it. So now bumper is free. And for the someone, maybe the people are curious after wrapping, if you want to remove the filler, it's gonna damage the paint or something. This is the dark yellow from the Avery, and then do the heat on it, coming out without any damaged paint or clear, nothing. So this is the way how you can remove the bumper. I will show you one more thing, but I don't need it now, but I'm just gonna show it. Most of the Porsche, for the removing the headlight, inside have the one hole, okay? You need to remove this cover, and all the Porsche have the headlight tools inside the tools box in front of the car, but the Boxter 718 and Porsche 911 don't have. For removing the headlight, you need to remove the bumper. And then if you see this corner, here one, and then same things here. And this 10mm socket. After you remove this one, this is the kind of the hard. You need something like the magnet to hold it, to not drop it. After that, sliding the light out so it will come out. So if you like my video, please share it, subscribe my channel, and then comment below, help me for my future video. See you next time.